Hello everyone, welcome back on TextMesh channel. Guys, I'm Ramkesh Singh, Unity game developer, YouTuber and blogger. So friend, in this tutorial, I'm going to talk about TextMesh Pro is not getting loaded with APK and OBB file. So in this tutorial, I'm going to share with you my experience, what was happening with me, and then if you are able to resolve, if you are able to relate this issue with you, so just that will help you. So let me explain that I am a Unity VR developer. So currently I'm working on a project. My APK size was getting large, like it was around 5 GB. So what I thought that I should use OBB file. So basically I use split binary you can get in the player setting where you put your key store, and then I created APK and OBB file. APK size was around 150 MB and OBB size was around 5 GB. So I uploaded my build on the app lab. I was using Oculus Quest 2. So it got uploaded. If you search on the MetaQuest website, so you will get that MetaQuest upload 4 GB OBB file. So it was 5 GB. So I didn't know that 4 GB is allowed. I was know, but it was getting uploaded. So I thought that there is no any issue. So I just uploaded because I was thinking that if there is any issue, so MetaQuest will not allow me to upload, but they allow me. And when I opened my application in the Oculus Quest 2 from the store, so what I got is that there is no any text. There was no any text in my application. So I just researched on it. I tried many things, but I didn't get anything that worked. So what I did, I create another APK. I just remove lots of scene, and then I create OBB file 3.5 GB, and then I again upload it, and it was working fine. Means I was able to see the text. So at that time I realized that the rule of MetaQuest, like they allow me 4 GB. Currently I'm uploading 5 GB. Due to this, my OBB file was not giving data resources to my APK file. Due to this, I was not able to load my TextMesh Pro. Basically, normal Unity text was getting loaded, but anything that was outsourcing, that was not working. So if you don't know, let me share with you that APK content or your first in native thing that is coming from Unity in APK, and all other source resources are getting in OBB file. So this is the reason it was not working. So hope that will help you. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. If you like the video, please like and subscribe the channel, and let me know in the comment box that it is helping you or not.